Welcome back to my channel. This is Pyro Kai. Today we have a special guest, so the format will be a little bit different, but it's gonna be so much more fun. Okay, welcome to my screen, Miss Drea Knowsbest.
What's up, y'all? How y'all doing?
So Drea Knowsbest is not only an internet sensation, a content creator, but also my best friend, childhood best friend. Our friendship has survived so many destinations.
Started from Maryland.
Then we went to New York.
Yeah, I went to Pennsylvania.
And then we have LA,
LA.
Hong Kong, Nigeria.
Hong Kong. Yeah.
And so many years, almost 10 years. Has it been?
Almost, yeah.
Yeah.
Probably.
Friendship.
Oh, now, shoot.
Don't tell people.
Nice.
Cross country.
Ooh.
Where you at? Where you at, girl? My friend?
Currently Nigeria, about to make some dumplings.
All right.
About multicultural. Yes, I do have the seasoning right here.
All right.
I'm
Well,
ready. I'm ready.
ready? Well, first we're gonna use 1 cup flour.
I don't have measuring cups, so.
You don't?
I don't have measuring cups. Welcome to an African house. We don't use measuring cups here. I saw like a cup that looked like a measuring cup, but it had no numbers on it.
We can do it.
Okay, so fill up this cup.
Fill up that cup with flour, and just to mix it, you use 1/3. There you go. So I'm gonna go ahead and add in my flour. Okay. And I had boiling water and I let it chill for like 2 minutes. How about you?
Can I see how your flour looks like?
Yeah, oh, that looks the same. We sound about right. Okay, so 1/3 cup water.
I think half a cup is half. 1/3 is less than half.
1/3 is less than half. You're very smart. Ready? We pour it down the center.
Center.
Okay.
Oh, I should not pour it in the center. Pour it somewhere else. Okay.
That looks like a lot of water. I'm a little worried. So then we're gonna fold it with our spatula.
What is the turn motion?
I'm just, going from center to outer. Once the dough absorbs all the water, we are gonna knead it with our hands.
But I think you're right. I think I put too much water because it's very it's thick.
It's very thick?
Yeah.
Let me show you my texture right now. It's very,
Yeah, I think I have more flour because mine is not. That's not how mine looks like.
Yeah, you want it to be able to be a ball, a firm ball. We're gonna knead it for 5 minutes. Take some flour, sprinkle it on the table like this. Just sprinkle some flour so your dough don't stick. So I'm just spreading some flour on the butcher block and I'm kneading with my palm. It shouldn't be sticky.
I put a lot of flour. You saw me put flour, right?
Well, we're gonna knead it so much that it gets hard. Hard.
I'm here for all these sexual. I don't know this is a sexual channel. All these sexual jokes, huh?
Who said it's sexual? Did the Holy Ghost just hit you? What was that?
It was a fly.
Yeah, you want some more flour in that thing.
I used the whole bag. I'm just kidding.
So stupid. So I want you to use one hand on the other side and just kind of like blocking it. When you push it out, have that hand to bring it back in. And continuously making it a ball, like you're rolling it like it's a ball. Mine's getting hard.
Yeah, mine's getting hard.
Yeah, that's what she said. So let's see, now it's a circle. Press the middle. Does it bounce back up? Mine bounces back up. All right, make sure it's a full, nice circle without like creases. So you got your ground meat? Yeah. Shrimp.
Oh, you put shrimp in it too?
Yeah, I am.
Wow, fancy.
I'm a
Fancy.
decadent.
Okay, period.
Okay, we got green cabbage for me. I can't get Asian cabbages just because my local grocers don't have it available.
What kind of cabbage are we using?
Not too much. Like maybe a quarter. I'm gonna boil the cabbage in a small pot like this.
I think that's it. Are you gonna? How much water is in there? Let me see.
3-4 cups. Yes, sir. Ooh, shit. I broke the butcher block. Yes, sir. Oh no.
Look at the professional messing up.
Professional? I'm just a home cook.
How long do we boil it for?
Just until it softens. Okay, so I'm gonna take my cabbage and I'm gonna go boil it right now.
Cool.
All right, so I got shallots here since I don't have scallion. It's like they look like butts. I can make it twerk.
Yeah. Hey.
I'm gonna dump it in here. I don't know. I always ask my mom, like, who's my real father? Why do I have curly hair? Why do I have a big ass? Like, what's up?
You've always had a black girl.
I have minced garlic.
It's like, I want to taste it and see if I'm actually, like, making progress with this to my satisfaction. But I have no clue for this because I don't want to taste raw meat. You get what I mean?
I mean, go ahead and taste raw meat. I'll see you later. I'll visit. Dude, don't do that. I was kidding. Yo. Squeeze all the water you have in there. Okay, so I have the cheesecloth. I got my cabbage that is dried and wrung out like this. I'm gonna put this in here. I'm gonna separate it. I'll put it with my meat. Take some salt. Drizzle on top.
So cool seeing you do that. Like, I watch you in the videos, not seeing you in real life. What do you put it inside? Is that for the cabbage? Oh, that's for the meat, right? This is the meat?
Meat and cabbage, they're all in the bowl. So you salt and pepper your mixture, your dumpling fillings. You take some soy sauce. We're just gonna douse some in there.
How much soy sauce are you putting?
A tablespoon or 2. I'm gonna take a fork and I'm gonna mix it. It looks really good, it smells really good.
Wow, let my mix it like this. Look.
Yo, can I just tell you, you have one of the most infectious smile I've ever known.
Me? Oh my gosh. I'm trying to say yes, please. Then you drop it. Fine. Okay, so make mine.
Into a circle, put a hole through. And make a bagel out of it. It's so pretty. We're gonna slice it.
I'll let you do it first. So, is this circle? Oh god. Oh, they look right.
When you roll it out, it needs to be this thin.
You sure?
Yeah. And then make it into a circle.
We're making a lot of dumplings. Wow. Just let your mom know. Did your mom know I'm doing this? She'll be so proud. What's Drea doing?
Yo, I remember the first time.
It's probably gonna go.
No, it can be, it's too thick. You can keep going. I remember the first time my mom took you to a sushi buffet and the face that you made the first time you had raw fish in your mouth.
I couldn't even.
I have to do this step. I just wanted to look uniform. Oh.
Oh, that's pretty.
My dumpling brings all the boys to the yard. Damn right, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I can teach you, but you just gotta subscribe. Oh. I'll teach you how to do the fold. So you wet the edges, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you take your dumpling. Oh, not too much meat in it. I know, I'm coming. Okay, so you got the meat like this, right? You're gonna fold it like this. So the top is touching each other, like that. Okay, then you're gonna complete the circle. Okay, then you go to the edge and you bend, like when you put one under one, press down, one under one, like that, press down, and then slowly just press on the whole thing. We made dumplings together.
Oh. Oh.
Was it?
I wish you could taste it, but you cannot.
Was it easy?
Put my picture in my dumpling. It was hard as heck.
It was hard.
So hard.
But I feel like
because I watch your YouTube tutorials, right? And most of your videos you cook are usually very simple to do, to replicate. But when we're doing it right here and then, it's like super hard. Maybe when you roll the clip and you play how to make the dumplings, it might be super simple when it looks like it's easy, but it's way harder than it looks like. That's all I have to say.
But I knew you could do it. I just knew you could do it. Let's show that one perfect dumpling you made on Instagram. It was perfect. I was really proud of you, and I feel like I could have. Yes.
Thank you. That means a lot coming from you. Gosh, thanks.
Yeah.
I'm proud of myself.
So how was the experience for you?
The experience? It was very long. It was worth it after all the work doing it for like I think 3 to 4 hours. After that, it was worth it because it tasted really, really good. You know.
It did.
Yeah.
Well,
for sure, I definitely have a new appreciation for anyone who makes dumplings because it's not like a step 1, step 2, step 3. It's a lot of steps, a lot of work, and it takes a lot of like focus and to do it. So whenever I see someone eating dumplings, I would be like, "Yo, you know how much work they put into making that dumpling for you?"
Yeah, like
those.
those.
Like, ma'am, what?
Yeah, like those people who are on diets and then like, they eat around the skin. They just eat the filling. Like, eat everything. Yeah, I mean, honestly, we were rolling in dough. We were rolling in deep. We were sweating. So I feel like it was really great. I had a blast, even though it was like through FaceTime.
It did feel like we were next to each other, even with the distance. Like, it doesn't matter how far away you are from each other. What matters is like making the most of what you got, and what we had is virtual contact, virtual connection, and like it felt like I was in the kitchen with you at that moment, So
yeah,
it's cool. Great idea doing this.
Honestly, I think we should challenge our followers to like cook with each other through like and hang out with each other through like FaceTime. Oh, what happened?
I agree. Like I don't know what happened, but yeah, I do agree. Like we should challenge our followers to do that. Everyone should just like challenge themselves, like do something new via FaceTime or Zoom or whatever. Like cook, DIY stuff. You know how long this quarantine and lockdown is gonna last. You might as well just make the most of it without losing your friendships.
It's true. Like even if it's like if you're not good at cooking, or not good at being funny, what you do is get on FaceTime, have a party, watch Drea's content, watch my content together, and that's a great watching party.
Yo, you're a scammer.
I'm not a scammer.
That's a good one.
I mean, even if you Uber Eats like Taco Bell and like to look at each other eating the same food, like we felt so connected because we were making the same thing simultaneously. We were eating it together. It was the best like friend date I never knew I needed, and I didn't know it was possible. Like I think it took some organizing.
When this is all over, we gonna make some dumplings together in real life.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying?
Alright, well, thank you so much for watching. If you don't know Drea, go visit her page. And if you haven't subscribed to me yet, please do.